What's good, YouTube? It's been a while. It's been a minute since a video, but right now I'm with Aaron. We're gonna pick up the CRV. It's currently at a shop getting the timing belt and everything replaced, and so I need to go pick it up, and we are gonna be installing, finally have time to do this, installing a head unit. So that's what this video is going to be about today, just a bit of a vlog. Erica's gonna be coming in a bit later, but that's where we're gonna be headed right now, so I'll catch you guys there. So we picked up the CRV. I'm sorry I didn't get footage, but that's the warehouse. It's inside there right now. And so yeah, we are gonna be installing the head unit, and I just realized that I'm gonna need, I don't know what they're called, like butt like, dang, what are they called? Butt connectors. They're called butt connectors. So we're gonna go to Home Depot. Aaron's with me to accompany me. And I need some tools from the other warehouse, but yeah, I'll catch you guys at the Home Depot. Right, Aaron?
Yeah, Home Depot.
All right.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
All right.
Down the other side.
Look who just arrived.
Vlogging, bro, this is
Look who just arrived.
laundry clothes, but it's okay.
It's okay. We're getting dirty. All right, so what we're doing today, we are taking this guy out. No more, where is it, Aaron, the cassette? Where's the cassette thing?
I put it on the table over there.
Anyways, no more cassette to aux. I miss Bluetooth so much. So we are gonna be installing this guy right here, which is why I needed these butt splices, and we're also going to be installing 4 kickers, so 2 on the 2 front doors and then 2 in the trunk, and so that's what we are going to be doing today. I'm going to have to take out all this stuff out right here so that I can access this and install the bracket that is right here. I heard I'm gonna have to modify this a little bit, so we'll see about that. But yeah, that's the project. So here's what I'm working on right now. Just clamping these butt splicers that I bought. The boys are putting on the new speakers on the door. So if you're wondering how I'm doing this, just the easiest route. So I just got some kickers. These are 6.5s, and then I just got these Metra adapters, so I don't need to solder or anything. So yeah, these two are going in the front, and another 2 is going in the back. And so yeah,
This fit? Alright, update. Daniel's still working on the wiring for the head unit, and me and Aaron, or Aaron and Adam, grammar gurus out there, we actually took out the head unit already, and we like basically dissected his car, took out this not even dash, the central control unit, and a lot of screws. But we did it. He's usually not a handyman, and these are the units that we have gathered. Yeah, I don't know if you all can see that, but it is there. Yeah, I want to say we are 65% done, and yeah. Coolio. Very clear.
Hot Americana rain falling, wearing nothing but my Lauryn Hill shirt. It's kind of baggy on you, baby, but it worked. The Icy hasn't worked in ages. I could probably read the label. Wait.
So alright, tell us your experience. Walk us through Apple CarPlay, right? He has Apple CarPlay on. I think it's his first time. Why is it laggy? Just play something? Just play something.
Innocent say I keep one check. She was a bad bird, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby.
Oh, this song.
But I'm changing a lot. Can't be no more who you knew from the block.
So we didn't finish. There's still like parts everywhere. Let me show you guys. So it's a big old mess in here. As you can see, get some light in here. But yeah, that's the head unit. Probably can't see, it's probably too dark in here. But yeah, it's not finished. We are planning to come back tomorrow to finish it up because I'm planning to install the sub and the amp as well, so that we don't have to go back and like take everything out and stuff again for the amp and sub. So I was like, why not just leave the car here and we'll come back tomorrow because I left the amp at my house. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, also with Erico and Aaron. See you guys in a bit. Look who's here. Look who just got here.
Look who came late.
So so what are you working on, Erico?
I'm working on getting this thing out.
Took it out. Okay.
Yes, and we are.
So I'm finalizing this. So here's the hack. So this cable right here, this is the parking brake wire. So you're supposed to wire this to like your parking brake or whatever, depending on your car. But this thing, yeah, is supposed to go there. And then when you whip up the parking brake, it allows you to watch movies because it like detects that you're parked. But to bypass it, all you need to do is just to ground this, and it's not plugged into the car. But this guy,
I think this actually fits.
when you like put it on anything like your ground, even just by holding it, it'll activate it and disable the safety. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this ground right here. I'm gonna cut these, and then I bought just these guys. So I'm just gonna be wrapping three wires together, and yeah, calling it a day. Zip tying these all together, and the head unit is pretty much ready. So we fitted it in. Here's how it looks. Hey, no more stupid cassette aux. Got Bluetooth now, baby. Thanks to Erico disassembling the center console for me. So we're just gonna put everything back together and gonna call it a night. Maybe Erico, if he still has energy, I'll show him how to, some stick shift lessons, because Erico don't know how to drive manual. But yeah, that's what we're working with right now. We are done. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yes, we are.
Look at this. Everything's back to normal. No more jank.
Well, not normal. Just
Okay,
new
well,
edition.
new edition. So here are the keys. Oh my goodness. I'm a klutz.
Recut.
Alright.
Reroll. We keep it going.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Woo!
Sony. Dang.
Got my phone. I linked the USB through this hole. There's a charger. There's my phone. Won't be needing this anymore. No, we're running maps through here. Yeah, we got home. Yeah. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, you guys. But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, support me. see more of Erico and Aaron. We got mukbangs and food stuff and just random stuff, but this is like my car content that I'm bringing out for you guys. So next up, I'm probably gonna be, dang, I don't even know what to do next with the CRV. Eric, what is there to do next?
Bro, so we're gonna lower it. We're gonna camber the front.
No. Probably I'll do
Wrap on it, make it all matte.
a wrap. I don't know. But stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Be sure to comment down below, and we have our social media also in the description. Do you want your social media down below?
At what, like Erico?
I don't know, it's like Erico backwards. That's gonna be it for you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.